Okay, good day everyone. So I've done with writing your title, the 1 point perspective or the parallel perspective. So here's your plate number 1. So let's start with the draw top and front view picture plane, horizon line, and ground line. So first we need to have our station point or the ground line. So always remember that ground line has its station point. So that's it. So we need to create a front view first. So let's say size is 6. Later, yung station point po mamaya. So make sure is straight po yung ruler po natin. Then to make it connected sa ating top view. Okay, so after that width of our front view and top view, we need our height of the view. So, kalahati lang po ng 6, 3. Okay. Then, after that, the size of our horizon. So, I think this is the size that I want to create here. Then, the picture plane on the top. Malaki na siguro, ganyan, it's better. Okay, so what's the size of the height of our object? It's 3. Here. Okay, so we are done with the front view, the top view, the front view, and our ground line, the horizon, and the picture plane. So, kapalan lang po natin saglit. Okay. Kalahati po ng ating 6 item. I'm using 30 by 60. So, step 1 pa tayo ha. Okay. Yung top naman natin. Okay, so we're done with our top view and the front view. Okay, so next step, is to locate a station point and project lines of visual rays from the corners of the top view to the station point. So for our station point, I think here is our station point. So dito po tayo mag-station point. Then, i-erase lang po natin. O baka mas malayo. Okay, mas parang sa malayo. So, i-erase lang po natin sa mga top or top side ng ating top view. So, ganyan lang po siya. Okay. So, medyo malaki. Okay. So, here is our station point. Malito. Step natin. The horizon line. The picture plane. And kapag tapat po ng ating station point, that is our vanishing point. Tandaan po lagi class, ang vanishing point ay laging nasa line ng horizon. So, line lang natin para malito. Ayan. Okay, so after po niyan, ibababa lang po natin mga ito para alam natin kung tama nga yung ating. Okay. So, yeah, I project it vertically formed station point for single vanishing point. Okay, next. Kanina ito po. Okay, next, number 4 step or fourth step, project corners to the vanishing point. So, from here, the vanishing point natin, ito po yung vanishing point natin. Ipo-project lang po natin siya dito. Sa mga point ng ating object. Okay. Okay. So, laging i-project sa vanishing point. Huwag po kalimutan ang ating vanishing point. Okay, after that, the final step, drop projectors at picture plane to determine depth and completeness. So, andito po yung mga na-intersect or na nagawa natin yung station point kanina na visual ways. I-downwards lang natin yan. Lalagyan natin sa top, sa baba, para connect sa ating object sa baba. So, no need sa sizes because perspective is free size. Okay? There you go. Okay. So, gamit po tayo nito. I-connect lang po natin yung mga na-project natin here. Okay, so from here, ito po tayo mark. Lalagay ng ating from here to here. Okay. So next, or the final step is to have a visible line to make our object visible. Okay. Okay. Yung mga slant or incline muna para mas ma-emphasize natin yung angle ng ating object. Okay, so make sure malinis, maayos sa following step para yung gagawin natin 1 point is may magkaroon tayo ng justice. Okay. Ayan. So we're done. Napakadali lang, tama? Okay, so good job.